USB-C connector plugs into USB-C ports. Rugged 3-meter, 10-foot cable. 30 amp high-speed charge to power up fast. Tangle-resistant braided nylon avoids getting tied into knots. Has 100+ lb pull strength. Includes OTTERBOX limited lifetime warranty. See website for details. Top reviews from the United States. Durable fast charging cable. This cable is very durable and charges my wife's iPad Pro very fast with the 18-watt charging brick that came with the iPad. The cable's length is a plus as she has room to move around a little while using the charging cord and working on her iPad. Awesome product. I love this cord for the length and the durability. It is on the higher end of my price scale but worth the value.